And once the game launches without any warning, the error is resolved and you're back to gaming normally. Error code 0X87E10011 usually appears when a game or app isn't compatible with your console or when the system software is outdated. If the issue still appears after checking compatibility, try reinstalling the game or app. Highlight the game on your home screen, press the menu button on your controller, select Manage Game and Add-ons, and choose Uninstall All. Once it's removed, reinstall the game from the Microsoft Store and try launching it again. Before reinstalling, make sure your console is fully up to date. Open the guide by pressing the Xbox button, go to Profile and System, select Settings, then System, and choose Updates. If any updates are available, install them and restart your console. Most importantly, confirm game compatibility. Some games are designed only for newer consoles, like the Xbox Series X or Series S, and will not run on Xbox One. Check the official Xbox website or the game developer's page to verify whether the game supports your specific console. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explained what Xbox error code 0X87E10011 means and how to fix it step by step on Xbox consoles. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Happy gaming!